Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to all of you. I want to educate you all and inform you all about the OMR, how you must write down, what you must see, and how you must verify the details. Now, to begin with, first, what you must do on your hall ticket, the details are mentioned here. This is called the OMR sheet. Here you must not do any tampering. यहाँ पर कोई tampering नहीं करना, इसको OMR sheet कहते हैं. यहाँ पर बेसिकली आप लोग जो है अपना आंसर बुकलेट नंबर लिखना है, जो आपको 20 शीट्स है. आंसर शीट, आंसर बुकलेट नंबर. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ये आंसर बुकलेट नंबर है, ये 3 डिजिट का है, 510. सो व्हाट यू मस्ट डू, यू मस्ट मेंशन इट here and here. Now, before doing your signature, you also have to do the signature here. The candidate has to do full signature here. Now, what you must check, the signature that you have done here in your school, that signature you must see and do it here. जो signature आप यहाँ करें, आपकी hall ticket पे जो signature है, वो signature आपको यहाँ पर करना है. कब करना है, ये डिटेल्स और ये डिटेल्स पूरे टोटली मैच होगा. और आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर कोड 01U, तो ये चीज आपका पेपर कोड की जगह 01U या 13E, तो ये इंग्लिश का सब्जेक्ट है. इंग्लिश मीडियम भी चेक करना. मीडियम इंग्लिश, हिंदी, उर्दू, तेलुगु, 4 मीडियम है, तो आपका इंग्लिश मीडियम है. सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट मेक श्योर दैट दे check the medium. After that you should sign. If there is any change, यहाँ कुछ mistake है, ये और ये match नहीं हो रहा, in any case, then you should inform your invigilator. He or she will inform the chief superintendent. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. ये करेक्शन वालों की जिम्मेदारी रहती, the spot valuer, and this will be done by the reporting team, that is the board. तो आपको जो भी करना है वो यहीं पर करना. This barcode is very important, which you should not put any line, tampering, कुछ नहीं करना, और कोई marks, कोई चीज नहीं लिखना. इसके पीछे you have instructions also to the candidates, which you should read properly and carefully. यही instructions है जो मैं दोबारा आपको explain कर रही हूँ, in order to make it easy for you. Now, your question paper will be something like this. How you will identify the question paper, the difference between question paper and the objective. You will have a question paper code here. And in your bit paper, objective paper, bit paper, जो last half an hour, last 15 minutes आपको दिया जाएगा, उसमें A लिखा हुआ था. After the question paper code, A will be written. So you should identify that way. Now in your bit paper, what you have to mention? आप अपना name नहीं लिखना. You must not write down your name. You must not write down your roll number. What you must write? You must write your answer booklet number. Now in this case, what is the answer booklet number? 510. 510 is the answer booklet number, which you should write down. In which pen you will write down? Blue pen. Blue pen. You should use blue pen. Blue pen. Very clearly, you should write down 510. It should be. Do not do any kind of overwriting. The same answer booklet number. What was the answer booklet number? 510. In social studies paper, you will be getting the map. On that map, you should write down the same number. Very clearly in between the boxes, you should write down very clearly in between the boxes with a blue pen. Here also in the map, you should not write down your name. You should neither write down your roll number, nothing. Only the answer booklet number. The main answer booklet that is given to you at the starting of the examination. Now here also in maths exam you will be given a graph sheet. So on the graph sheet also you should write down very clearly answer booklet number. Now in my case the answer booklet number was 510. You should not write down the name. Name should not be written. Neither roll number. ये दो चीजें नहीं लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? आंसर बुकलेट नंबर. आंसर बुकलेट नंबर कहाँ मिलेगा हमको? आंसर बुकलेट नंबर यहाँ मिलेगा जो आपकी बुकलेट जो राइटिंग है जिसमें आप आंसर्स लिखेंगे वो बुकलेट का 510. आंसर बुकलेट का नंबर आएगा ग्राफ पे, आंसर बुकलेट का नंबर आएगा मैप पे, आंसर बुकलेट का नंबर आएगा ऑब्जेक्टिव पे. हॉल टिकट के पीछे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, प्लीज रीड देम वेरी क्लियरली एंड डू नॉट यूज एनी अदर पेन एक्सेप्ट अ ब्लू पेन. कोई हाईलाइटिंग, कोई अंडरलाइनिंग, कोई मार्जिन्स में डू नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. Don't overwrite, don't use any whitener and do not borrow any kind of stationery. Don't borrow any kind of stationery. Don't carry anything. You have to carry a transparent pouch like this for your hall ticket. A transparent pouch where everything is seen. Read the paper properly. Put the section number properly. Question number you must very clearly put in your answer booklet. If you are answering any 3 out of 4, put the question number properly. 3 out of 4 if you're answering, put the question numbers properly. Medium answering any 3 out of 4, put the question number properly. 3 out of 4 if you're answering, put the question numbers properly. Medium of instruction and other details also you should verify very properly. Refrain from wearing a lot of pockets dresses. Don't wear pants, cargo pants that are carrying a lot of pockets. Don't carry any unnecessary material to the examination center. Go to the center half an hour before time. All the very best to all of you. Wish you all the success. Be healthy. You can carry a water bottle if you're not fasting. While if you're fasting, then be hydrated. And all of you must drink a lot of water before suhoor, right from. Don't study late nights. Get up early in the morning and study so that you don't go to the examination hall and sleep. Be active and attentive. Don't look here and there as if you are doing any kind of malpractice, then you will be refrained from writing for the next 3 years. So wish you all the very best. May Allah grant you success and make it easy for you.